Hi, my name is Will Cockman and I'm a project manager here at the Charleston, South Carolina office. So I'm going to be answering the question today on why we as project managers make the building process so easy. There's a million different ways that I could answer this question, but I'm kind of going to highlight the top three that I was able to choose. So my first answer to this question is going to be that every project manager in America's Home Place has a lot of construction experience. Me personally, I got my degree at Clemson University in construction science and management with a minor in business administration. And on top of that, that led me into getting experience with this company in internships, which then led to me getting this job as a project manager at America's Home Place. Throughout my schooling and experience in both commercial and residential construction, it has allowed me to have confidence in every aspect of your build. The second way I'd like to answer this question is that America's Home Place employees feel more like family and friends than they do just somebody that you're hiring to build your house. From this happening, it makes the entire process feel like you're having a family member or friend build your personal house. So it's a lot more personal of an experience rather than just putting your money into something that's an investment. And my third point I'm going to use is the fact that our subcontractors, just like us, have that same family and friend type feeling. So as much as we will be putting our hands and our minds into your house, the subcontractors will be putting just as much. And just as we are those friends and family, our subcontractors have those same values and that same integrity that they will put into building your house. And again, my name is Will Cockman and I'm a project manager here at the Charleston, South Carolina office. Thank you for your time.